In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 1xbet bonus amount in Nepal. It will be very simple to do. Come and click here on registration. Now come on registration by email and now enter all your informations right up to the code of country by clicking now on choosing Nepal. Now click on Nepal so as to put the phone number in Nepal. Enter all the remaining information right up to promo code and put BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. By putting an amount of $10, you will obtain $30 because of this promo code. Now click on register when everything is set. And by then come to menu where you will select 1x games. So as to click on bonuses, you will now select a game, for example Lucky Wheel, which will help you to get a considerable amount of money by playing and by winning. You will have also other like quest of the day, daily tournaments, jackpot, and by coming out there to casino, and now you will also play other games like promo, TV bet, and all the rest, which will help you to gain even small amount of money so as to see it in your electronic wallet, whereby it will help you to now bet normally and using the 1xbet bonus amount. It is as simple as that.